Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Makita trimmer is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your shed. Battery-powered trimmers have revolutionized the way we maintain our yards, offering the freedom of cordless operation without sacrificing power. Whether you're a homeowner looking to tidy up your lawn or a professional landscaper, this trimmer promises to make your trimming tasks easier and more efficient. Let's dive in and see what makes this trimmer stand out. Number 5. Makita XRU15PT136V String Trimmer Kit. This is the Makita XRU15PT1, a powerful string trimmer kit. It's designed to make your yard work easier and more efficient. With its advanced features, it's a great choice for any homeowner. The Makita XRU15PT1 features a Makita-built outer rotor BL brushless motor. This direct drive system provides high power and increased torque. This means it can tackle tough jobs with ease. This trimmer has automatic torque drive technology. It automatically shifts between 3,500 to 6,500 revolutions per minute. This helps extend runtime or provide added power when you need it. You can choose from 3 speed options: low, medium, and high. This allows you to manage power based on the task. It gives you the flexibility to handle different types of grass and weeds. The trimmer has a 15-inch cutting swath. This wider cutting area increases productivity. It helps you get the job done faster. It includes a bump and feed trimmer head. It's loaded with 0.080 twisted quiet line. This ensures smooth and efficient trimming. What we like. This trimmer boasts impressive power and torque thanks to its direct drive brushless motor. The automatic torque drive technology intelligently adjusts the RPM, maximizing runtime or power as needed. If you have a large yard or need to tackle tough weeds, this is the perfect choice for efficient and powerful trimming. What people say. The electric version is quiet and doesn't require mixing gas and oil or any arm-straining starting exercises, but it does have a significant lag in spin-up time. In that mode, it had equal power to my old gas trimmer. Impressive. I am very satisfied with this new tool and I do recommend it. Number 4. Makita XRU23Z18V Cordless String Trimmer. This is the Makita XRU23Z, a cordless string trimmer. It eliminates the need for gas, emissions, and oil mixing, providing a cleaner and more convenient experience. The BL brushless motor delivers up to 6,000 revolutions per minute. This technology offers increased efficiency and longer tool life, making it a reliable choice for your yard work. Enjoy up to 1 hour of runtime with an 18V LXT 4.0 Ah battery, which is sold separately. This allows you to tackle your trimming tasks without frequent interruptions. It features a high-low button for power and runtime management. This allows you to adjust the performance based on the task at hand, conserving battery life when needed. The variable speed trigger gives you complete control over the cutting speed. You can easily adjust the speed to match the specific needs of your trimming job. What we like. This trimmer offers a clean, quiet, and low-maintenance experience. It provides up to an hour of runtime, perfect for smaller yards or quick touch-ups. If you are looking for a hassle-free, eco-friendly option with excellent control, this is the one for you. What people say. The unit is lighter weight, good metal construction, bolted, smaller guard, easier storage, typical well-constructed active head. Power is nearly the same as corded using 2 lights and will cut most as such. Unit will trim grass just fine with power given with 1 light selected. Battery efficiency is excellent. This tool is very light, making it easy to use for extended periods. It's light, relatively quiet, and has plenty of power for the lighter gauge string. Number 3. Makita XRU15PT36V LXT Brushless String Trimmer Kit. Introducing the Makita XRU15PT String Trimmer Kit. This powerful tool is designed to make your yard work easier and more efficient. It's a great choice for both homeowners and professionals. The Makita XRU15PT features a Makita-built outer rotor BL brushless motor. This direct drive system provides high power and increased torque. You'll experience the difference in performance. This trimmer includes automatic torque drive technology. It automatically shifts between 3,500 to 6,500 revolutions per minute. This feature helps extend runtime or provide added power when you need it. The XRU15PT offers 3 speed options: low, medium, and high. This allows you to manage power based on the task at hand. It gives you the flexibility to tackle any job. With a 15-inch cutting swath, this trimmer increases productivity. It helps you cover more ground in less time. Get your yard work done faster and more efficiently. The trimmer includes a bump and feed trimmer head. It's loaded with 0.080 twisted quiet line. This ensures smooth and quiet operation while providing excellent cutting performance. What we like. This trimmer delivers high power and torque, making it ideal for demanding tasks. The automatic torque drive technology optimizes performance, and the 15 cutting swath increases productivity. If you have a medium to large yard and value both power and efficiency, consider this model. What people say. The electric version is quiet and doesn't require mixing gas and oil or any arm-straining starting exercises, but it does have a significant lag in spin-up time. In that mode, it had equal power to my old gas trimmer. Impressive. Battery life was fair at that setting and for my use. I got 40 minutes of use before I was down to half charge, 2 bars. I estimate a reasonable run time to be 1 hour so that I would leave some charge in the Li-ion battery pair. Recharge on the new, discharged, batteries was about 2 hours. From the half-charge state, about an hour. Getting an extra set of batteries with the tool ensures I will be able to do any weeding needed in one continuous session. Number 2. Makita XUX01ZM536V Couple Shaft Power Head. This is the Makita XUX01ZM5, a powerful tool designed for efficiency. It's a versatile solution for your outdoor needs, offering a range of features to make your work easier. The Makita XUX01ZM5 features a Makita-built brushless motor. This motor delivers up to 7,100 revolutions per minute, ensuring faster and more efficient cutting performance. It offers 3 speed options to manage power effectively. You can choose between low, medium, and high speeds to suit different tasks and conserve battery life. The variable speed trigger switch gives you complete control. It allows you to adjust the cutting speed, providing precision and control for various applications. This power head is compatible with various Makita couple shaft attachments. This versatility allows it to handle a wide range of tasks, making it a valuable addition to your tool collection. The lever-style lock system allows for quick and toolless installation and replacement of attachments. This feature saves time and effort, letting you switch between tasks quickly. What we like. This power head offers faster cutting speeds and the versatility of a couple shaft design. It is compatible with various attachments, expanding its functionality beyond just trimming. If you are looking for a multi-tool system that can handle various yard tasks, this is an excellent option. What people say. Still loving the powerful machine. The head to use with this is 191R00-0 rapid load bump and feed trimmer head. It is so powerful and cut in tall thick growth easily, and the tap and feed the line works great. Never once had to slow down since the line kept feeding with a hard tap. It covered a lot more grounds quickly compared to regular weed whacker, and machine is well balanced and easy to handle even for a petite person like me. Number 1. Makita XUX01M5PT36V Couple Shaft Power Head Kit. This is the Makita XUX01M5PT, a powerful couple shaft power head kit. It's designed to make your yard work easier and more efficient. This tool is a great choice for any homeowner. The Makita XUX01M5PT features a Makita-built brushless motor. This motor delivers up to 7,100 revolutions per minute for faster cutting. You'll experience increased efficiency and performance with this innovative technology. This power head kit offers 3 speed options: low, medium, and high. This allows you to manage power based on the task at hand. You can easily adjust the speed to suit your needs. The variable speed trigger switch gives you complete control over the cutting speed. This feature allows for precise and controlled operation. It is perfect for detailed work. The Makita XUX01M5PT is compatible with a variety of Makita couple shaft attachments. This versatility allows it to be used for various applications. It's a truly adaptable tool. The lever-style lock system allows for quick, tool-less installation and replacement of attachments. This feature saves you time and effort. It makes switching between tasks a breeze. What we like. This power head delivers fast cutting speeds and the versatility of a couple shaft design. It is compatible with various attachments, expanding its functionality beyond just trimming. If you are looking for a multi-tool system that can handle various yard tasks, this is an excellent option. What people say. Definitely seems more powerful than my previous 28 cubic centimeters trimmer. I didn't experience any issues with the bump feed head that came with it. Battery life, very pleased. I had to trim an overgrown small backyard at another property and this trimmer handled it magnificently. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.